Nikola is still holding the $2 mark. The price tested our support and there is someone bought around the $2. So we have to discuss in today's video what's gonna happen in this week. So let's dive deeper and discuss Nikola. The price is still holding over the $2. We tested the $1.99 and the price reversed. I think it was around Friday, yes, and the price reversed, and we said on Friday the $2.41 is the level that we have to break. But today in pre-market we went until the $2.30, price reverse, went down. We covered in our live streaming and we said if we broke the $2 we're gonna have a flush. The good thing is we're still holding over the $2. So now we have to watch out. The $2 mark, never have 5-minute closing candle below this red line, which is our support, because if we have this signal, it means a huge short open a new position and the price will go there around this box between the $1.73 and $1.53. However, in the meantime, the price is still holding. What does that mean? It means someone still buying Nikola over the $2. Now, let me just see how much. Yeah, we have almost 3% for the price to hold over this level. The price have to go toward the $2.41 to give us the first signal for squeeze, as we said before. So now we have to accumulate, then test the $2.41. Still, we're not in clear yet until we break this orange line. After that, we're gonna have a huge pump toward the $2.92 because this is the first level where the short have to cover their position around the $2.41, and this will give us the first kick toward the $2.92. So watch out for this price action for today and maybe tomorrow in pre-market because we might have news. This will give us a gap over the $2.41. Of course, if we have the gap, we're gonna do update in our Discord and Patreon, because last time we update Nikola was here around the 13th of July when we hunted for this breakout zone and we said you should take profit around the $2.89. That's why the price reversed and we took profit. The price went down on our live streaming here and we went down. So we have to be strategic, take profit, don't be greedy, re-enter around the bottom and do this again and again to make profit. So stay tuned for this update for tomorrow. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.